Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Canva to Claude AI. All right, let's begin. First, open Claude AI and click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. From there, go to Settings and look for the Connector section. Once you're there, click on Browse Connectors. You should see Canva listed near the top since it's one of the most popular integrations. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar and type Canva. Next, select Canva and click on Connect. This will redirect you to a new page where you need to allow access to your Canva account. Before approving, you can review the permissions included with the connection. Canva may request access to create designs, read folders, and manage comments on your projects. After reviewing the permissions, click Allow to complete the authorization process. Once connected, you'll see a Configure button inside Claude AI. This allows you to manage permissions manually, so you can enable or disable specific access options based on your preferences. To test the connection, open a new chat and ask Claude AI to create Canva content for you. So that's basically how you can connect Canva to Claude AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.